Okay, let's be real. Most people think of AI as a shortcut. Faster emails, snappier reports, and sure, it can do all that. But if you stop there, you're missing the good stuff. Because what if AI wasn't just a tool to save time, but a partner to stretch your thinking? That's what this module is all about. Using AI not to replace your judgment, but to sharpen it. To challenge your ideas, uncover blind spots, and help you think in ways you probably wouldn't on your own. And as you proceed through this module, you'll start to take much more ownership for guiding the AI. I'm going to give you less specific words for your prompts and instead invite you to find the right words and become a prompt master. You'll try some new moves. Asking, what if, to unlock creative options. Getting AI to play devil's advocate. Looping through feedback to make something better. Using constraints to get smarter ideas. And trusting your own judgment to shape the final result. Because if AI is the intern, you're still the manager. It's not about outsourcing your thinking. It's about thinking better together. Let's go!